So how we are going to start the class? चलो आज आप लोग करो, कैसे start करेंगे class? How we are going to start? Say welcome song. Yes, चलो let's start. Come on everyone. You all have to sing. We welcome you to school today. School today. School today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today. Here today. Here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome everyone. Welcome to this new and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Okay. Now, bachcho, come on. Kids, now we'll sing God's love together. Start. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. So high, we can't get over it. So high, we can't get over it. So deep, we can't get under it. So deep, we can't get under it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. All right. Chalo bachcho, now we'll sing fruit salad. Come on, start. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, chiku, 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 fruit salad. Fruit salad, custard apple, custard apple, pineapple, pineapple, guava, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad. After fruits, vegetables. Come on. Bottle gourd, bottle gourd, potato, potato, onions, 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 vegetables, vegetables, cauliflower, cauliflower, tomato, tomato, cabbage, 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 vegetables, vegetables, cauliflower, cauliflower, come on, tomato, tomato, cabbage, 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 vegetables, vegetables. Okay, bachcho, come on, stand up for national anthem. How to stand in national anthem? Attention. Come on, everyone. Attention. Thumbs inside, fingers on the top, and hands by your side. Attention, everyone. Now, no one is going to move. Okay. Vinay, attention. Come on, start. Jana Gana Mana Adinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravin Utkal Bang Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchchal Jaladhi Tarang तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक, जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे, जय हिंद। Okay. All right, बच्चों. Now it's time for the exercises. Come on. Stretch your arms, jump and clap. Come on. Clap. Clap. Jump ही करो साथ में. Clap. 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 Very good. Now wiggle your fingers. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Now keep both the hands on your waist. आपके दोनों हाथ आपकी कमर पे रखो. Now jump. Come on. Jump. 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 Okay. Now बच्चों, now you have to bend yourself like this. एक हाथ आपकी कमर पे रखो and bend. Now change. Again, bend yourself. Gitanshi, opposite hand आपको करना है. Yes. Now change. Change. Very good. Come on. Now raise your hands higher. And bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Come on. Again, raise your hands higher. And bend yourself. Try to touch your feet without bending your knees. Come on again. Raise your hand higher. And bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Okay? Very good. Chalo, now run. Everyone, run, 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 run fast, run fast, run fast. Okay. Now, fold your one leg and try to balance. आपका एक leg fold करो और try to balance. Come on. एक leg fold करो. Try to balance. Try, 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 try. करो करो व्योम. Okay. चलो now sit down बच्चों. Namish, switch on the camera. Okay. So, Vinay, switch on the camera. All right, बच्चों, now let's talk about the day. So, what is the day today? आज कौन सा day है? Yesterday was Wednesday. कल Wednesday था. तो आज कौन सा day हुआ? Which day is today? Thursday. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. चलो, how many days are there in a week? एक week में कितने days हैं? There are 7 days in a week. Start. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And Sunday is the holiday. Okay. So, bachcho, today is Thursday. Yes, Vinay, very nice. Very nice it is looking. Good. All right, bachcho. Chalo, now let's start. Come on. So, we start with our English work today. आज हम हमारे English work से start करेंगे. Mothers, kindly pay attention. Mothers, kindly pay attention. Have you got the circular regarding the competition? Have you got the circular? All right. Okay. ठीक है. Acha. And one more thing. Have you got the message regarding the test tomorrow? Okay. Yes. So one more time I'm repeating. Tomorrow I'm going to take the test. Fill in the missing letters. ठीक है? चल. Okay, बच्चों. Come on, get your English copy now. And ask your mama to write down the date for you. The date is 25/11/2021. So what we have to do? We have to write down the missing letters. हमने letter A to Z, we had completed letter A to Z. So we are going to write down missing letters. Missing letters का मतलब होता है जो letters छूट गए हैं. ओके उनको हमको लिखना. जो letters मिस हो गए हमसे, that we have to fill. ठीक है? Fill in the missing letters, ma'am, like this. Today we are doing now in this way. Okay? Come on. So we'll say the letter and the sound together. Phonic sound भी हम साथ में पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है? चलो, let's start. Which letter is this? A. A, apple. Then the next letter is missing. So what comes after A? B. What is the sound of B? Ba. Everyone say and write. B, ba, ball. B, ba, ball. B, B, ball. Then after B, C. C. The sound of C is K. The sound of C is K. C ka cat. Okay, C is already written there. Then after C, D. D is also already written. So what is the sound of D? D का sound क्या है? What is the sound of D? The sound of D is D. D, the dog. D, the doll. Then after D, the next letter is missing. So D के बाद क्या आएगा? What comes after D? A, B, C, D, and yes, E. So write down the missing letter E. What is the sound of E? E का sound क्या है? What is the sound of E? A. E, A, elephant. Yes, Vinay. आपको पता है बेटा? Very good. That's a nice thing. Good thing. Well done. E, A, elephant. आराम से लिखिए, जल्दी नहीं है. The important thing is that we should know the letter and the phonic sound as well. Then after E comes F. F is already written. So what is the sound of F? F says fur. F for fish. F for fish. Then after F, the letter is missing. So what comes after F? G. G, G, gun. G says G, G says ga, G ga gun, G ga grapes. G. Okay, Annie, you pay attention here. Then after G, again one more letter is missing. So what comes after G? H. H says her, H her hat. H her hat. Then after H, I. I says I. I ice cream and I insect. Letter I. So I is already written. Now next letter is missing. So what comes after I? J. Say and write. What is the sound of J? The sound of J is J. J, joker. J, jug. J. Then after J, K. K ka kite. K ka king. So write down the missing letter K. Okay. Then after K, L. The sound of L is L. The sound of L is L. L, lion. L, lion. Yes, Elena. हाँ बच्चा. Just a minute. Okay. Then after L, the next letter is missing. So what comes after L? L के बाद क्या आएगा? M. Emma, monkey. Emma, monkey. Then after M, N. What is the sound of N? What is the sound of N? No. N, nose. N, nose. N, nest. Then what comes after N? O. O, orange. O, owl. Come on, say the sound. Then write down the missing letter O. After O, the next letter is P. What is the sound of P? P. The sound of P is P. P. Peepa, parrot. Peepa, pin. Advait, stop playing with that. Okay, so as I don't have a space here, Come on. Now, after P, Q. Q. What is the sound of Q? Qua. Q, qua, queen. Q, qua, quill. Letter Q. Then, after Q, the next letter is missing. अब Q के बाद क्या आता है? What comes after Q? R. R, ra, rabbit. Next. What comes after R? S. What is the sound of S? So. Come on everyone. मैं सबको देख रही हूँ. So. S, sun. S, sun. Then. The next letter is missing up. S के बाद क्या आएगा? What comes after S? Q, R, S and T. T. The sound of T is to. The sound of T is to. To. Tita, tiger. Tita, tap. So write down the missing letter T. Now, what comes after T? Come on. The next letter is also missing. So what comes after T? U. What comes after T? U. The sound of U is A. The sound of U is A. U, A, umbrella. U, A, umbrella. Okay? U, A, umbrella. Now, what comes after U? V. V. V says V. V says V. Viva van. Then after V, W. W is already written. So what is the sound of W? W says wo. V says va. W says wo. V, W, wo, watch. Then the next letter is missing of W के बाद क्या आता है? What comes after W? Letter X. And what is the sound of X? X says X. X says X. X, X, Xmas tree. X-ray. Okay. Then what comes after X? Y. What is the sound of Y? The sound of Y is ya. Y, ya, yo-yo. Y, ya, yak. Y. Come on, say. Up. The last letter. What comes after Y? Letter Z. Write down the missing letter Z. So, Z says Z. Z's a zebra. Z's a zebra. All right, chalo. Come on, stand up. We'll say it together. Start. Just a minute. Start. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Chalo, again, come on, fast, again. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Very good. Very, very nice. Good, बच्चों. चलो, sit down. Okay, बच्चों. So, now, from today onwards, we are going to revise our GK questions that we are doing in awareness skill book. ठीक है? So, first of all, today we'll talk about the animals. ठीक है? आज हम फिर से एनिमल्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. सो एनिमल्स यू ऑल नो, है ना? जब भी हम घर से बाहर निकलते हैं, वी स्टेप आउट फ्रॉम द हाउस और समवेयर वी गो टू जंगल और समवेयर, सो वी फाउंड मेनी एनिमल्स ओवर देयर. वी कैन सी मेनी एनिमल्स ओवर देयर. ठीक है? हम लोग बहुत सारे एनिमल्स को देख सकते हैं. बहुत से एनिमल्स ऐसे होते हैं जो हम घर से बाहर निकलेंगे रोड्स पर हमें दिखेंगे, और बहुत से एनिमल्स ऐसे होते हैं जो जंगल में रहते हैं, एंड बहुत से एनिमल्स ऐसे होते हैं जो वाटर में रहते हैं. ठीक है? सम एनिमल्स लिव्स इन वाटर, सम एनिमल्स लिव्स इन जंगल, एंड सम एनिमल्स आर डोमेस्टिक एनिमल जिनको हम इजीली देख सकते हैं. तो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स ऐसे एनिमल्स होते हैं जिनको हम पाल सकते हैं. ऐसे एनिमल्स जिनको हम पाल सकते हैं. क्या सब एनिमल्स को हम पाल सकते हैं? टेल मी. हम सब एनिमल्स को पाल सकते हैं हमारे घर पर लाकर या हमारे फार्म हाउस पर? कि कभी हमने सोचा कि चलो टाइगर लेकर आते हैं और टाइगर को घर पे पालेंगे. ऐसा कभी होता है? कभी देखा है आपने कि किसी के घर पे लायन है या किसी के घर पे टाइगर है? नो. सो डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स वो एनिमल्स होते हैं जिनको हम पाल सकते हैं, लाइक डॉग, है ना, कैट एंड शीप, horse, cow. All right. So these are some domestic animals. ऐसे animals जिनको हम पाल सकते हैं. Come on, say with ma'am. कौन कौन से एनिमल्स होते हैं? या तो आप अपने घर पे रख सकते हो या फिर आप अपने घर के बाहर या फार्म हाउस पे रख सकते हो. तो कौन कौन से एनिमल्स ऐसे हैं जिनको हम पाल सकते हैं? Come on, say. Dog, cat, cow, है ना, and horse, sheep. So these are some of the animals जिनको हम पाल सकते हैं. ठीक है? उसके अलावा some animals ऐसे होते हैं, some animals we can found in jungle. कुछ ऐसे एनिमल्स होते हैं सिर्फ जंगल में रहते हैं. आपको पता है कौन से एनिमल जंगल में रहते हैं? कौन से एनिमल्स होते हैं जंगल में? मैम लुक, in the category of domestic animals, we can describe domestic animals in two categories. हम लोग डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स को दो कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स बेसिकली जिनको हम पालते हैं या जिनकी वजह से हमें अर्निंग्स होती हैं. ठीक है? तो बेसिकली वी कैन डिवाइड द डोमेस्टिक एनिमल इन टू. एक होते हैं पेट एनिमल्स. पेट एनिमल्स जिनको हम घर पे पेट बना सकते हैं, और अदर आर फार्म एनिमल्स जिनको हम फार्म, खेत या अपने घर के बाहर रख सकते हैं. ठीक है? तो इतने ज्यादा हम लोग डीप में अभी नहीं जाते, तो वी जस्ट से डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. ऑल राइट? ओके. सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. ऐसे